Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create a membership community using Gumroad. In today's digital age, building a membership community can be one of the most effective ways to engage your audience, share exclusive content, and foster a loyal following. Using Gumroad, a platform known for its simplicity and efficiency, you can easily create a membership community that suits your needs. Whether you are a content creator, an educator, or an entrepreneur, having a membership community allows you to offer special perks and exclusive content to your most dedicated fans. So, let's dive into the process and explore how you can get started with Gumroad. First, make sure you are logged into your Gumroad account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is simple and straightforward. Once you are logged in, look towards the top of the page where you will find an option labeled Products. This is your starting point for adding anything new to Gumroad, including memberships. Clicking on Products will guide you to the section where you can create a new product. Next, you'll see various types of products you can create, but our focus today is on building a membership community. So, make sure to select the membership option. This choice sets the framework for creating a continuous and interactive experience for your members. Now, it's time to get creative. Think of a catchy and fitting name for your membership. This name is crucial, as it is the first thing potential members will see when considering joining your community. Once you have decided on the perfect name, choose the currency you wish to receive payments in. Setting a price that reflects the value of the content and perks you are offering is important. Consider what your audience might be willing to pay, and ensure it aligns with the quality of the content you plan to provide. After these initial steps, click on the Customize button to enter a more creative phase. Here, you can add a detailed description of what your membership offers and why it is an incredible opportunity. Highlight any unique features, benefits, or topics you'll cover. A well-crafted description can be a game changer, enticing potential members to join with its inviting content. To further enhance your membership offer, include visual elements such as images or videos. These will serve as the cover and thumbnail for your membership, making it visually appealing. Eye-catching visuals are essential for capturing attention and conveying a professional tone. Ensure these visuals align with your brand and the type of community you are building. Additionally, consider creating different membership tiers. This allows you to cater to diverse budget needs and provide extra value to your audience by offering various levels of access. Name these tiers appropriately and provide detailed explanations for each, so potential members understand what each tier offers. When deciding on pricing, think about offering flexibility with either monthly or yearly payment options. This decision can depend on what suits your business model best and what your audience prefers. Once all these elements are in place, click Save and Continue. You can then decide how you want your content to be displayed, either by embedding it or typing it directly into Gumroad. This choice can influence how smoothly your members interact with the content. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click on Publish and Continue to make your membership live. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a membership community using Gumroad. Hopefully this walkthrough has been helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in building a vibrant and engaged community. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create a membership community using Gumroad, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.